Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Fortnite error pack is invalid. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up Epic Games and find Fortnite under your library. Now, once you're in here, just click on three dots. Now, click on Manage. Okay. In here, we have installation. So just go ahead and click on Browse, or there's a file folder icon. So just click on it. Now, double click on Fortnite game. Double click on content. Now in here, double click on packs. Okay. Double click, and once done, click on the size option. Just click on it. Just click on it. All right. Now let's go and find global. Okay. Global. Just press G on your keyboard. As you can see here, we have this global UTalk. Now, if you can't see the extensions, well, just click on view right here, show, and click on file name extensions. Okay. Now, once that's done, you'll be able to see .utalk. Now, if you can find it, click on it. So make sure that it is selected. Okay. This one at the top, from global UTalk to the top, do not delete it. Okay. I'm going to select global UTalk and its files below. All right. And then once that's done, just hit on delete. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, close this one. Now go ahead and go back to your library, okay, and just click on verify. Verify integrity of game files, wait for the process to finish, and then once that's done, just go and play Fortnite and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is how you fix Fortnite error pack is invalid. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.